the aching of this life is the revealing of the greater thirst this world can satisfy.
But if trials of this life
Raise the storms, the darkest nights, are your mercy.